And also the family. Firstly, thank you for inviting us to come and officiate at the handing over ceremony, I guess, or the just to recognize the contribution between the ministry and yourselves. And I congratulate you on being committed to honey beekeeping in Fiji. And clearly it is a product that the country is interested in, and hopefully we will find very soon that there will be some announcements in government about more commercializing of beekeeping in Fiji, with some major companies getting involved. So hopefully that happens. That means more opportunity for volume and hopefully more export around here, not only in Fiji but around the world as well. You talked about value addition. That's another area as well that the government will is keen to look at. There are medicinal attributes of honey, and so we are excited to be here today to come and just participate very briefly in this handing over ceremony. And be assured the ministry will continue to watch and observe your progress, and where possible continue to assist, because it's important, certainly from the government's perspective, that we continue to work together to try and build a more diversified Fijian economy. So we're not only relying on tourism, but there are other exportable commodities that we can develop in our country. And certainly with growers like yourself, I'm sure the government and the country can benefit from more collaboration, and of course increasing the honey production sector. So again, with those few words, it's an honor to be here today, to come and visit your premises. I am told that you are a legend when it comes to beekeeping in Fiji. So I congratulate you for all that you've done so far, and look forward to working with you and the family in terms of the future of this industry, which has a lot of potential. Navale.
Thank you. Thank you.